Doctors. I give you Natwale, my people, Dr.Kweku Oteng. This one a Ghana man, and he deal with herbs, na herbal doctor. And he get 5 wives. 5. I know so many of them go they shock. 5 wives. I wonder how some women they some women they try because me personally I'm not like they share. Me I'm not like they share. So I don't know how I will even manage the day with 5. Anyhow, my people, the 6th wife now. Now the 6th wife matter. Bring me here. Anyway, she never be 6th wife, but she's on the way because as I talk to Nana, this girl don't they family way. She is heavily pregnant. And now, according to the news where the man talk, say this very person in one walk down the aisle with arm. He won't marry and won't put ring on the finger. So my sister, get ready because we are going to be the 6th wife. I don't know how you want to enjoy this thing, but the Lord is with you. And now it happens that the 4th wife, where in name now Akua, I don't know whether on now don't watch Ghana Most Beautiful. Now in name be that. Now that one can't get issue, and now people can't discuss because again when the Akua and the Dr. Oteng they get divorce wahala. Say he want divorce because the doctor been they say the girl they cheat on her, and she said she know they cheat. He even get the time where the doctor go meet her with shinap bottle. Say make she swear. Say because he want divorce, so make she swear say he know they cheat on her. The girl say she no fit do am. Why? Because she be Christian. Some people they value their religion. And now it don't happen say afia schwarzenegger they involved inside this matter. My people make una pay attention because this matter is they complicated. Afia schwarzenegger now come dey inside this matter, and she the afia she decide aniwa now be the one way they on the way, and people now come they suspect say these two they against the Ghana Most Beautiful wife. Because the time where the husband come meet and say make she swear say she know they cheat on her. Now that time Afia even did the building that period, and we even see I won't make una see the video where Afia Schwarzenegger they sit down. Oh, people wicked. She sit down with plenty food and drink. They laugh. The poor girl. I better make we watch this video first.
Sorry, because it is near Canada 2 years. And what? Let go. But I say, one year, Pana Chopper, Penny will come and say, I don't know some. I will come Sunday and day.
My people, una see make una dey careful who una dey call friend. And now are they very sure say as these two they collide together? My sister, if you try any nonsense with Afia tomorrow, na your matter she go bring come outside. Now wait till una no even know. Now today una dey do collabo against one person. Tomorrow if you mess her up, now your matter she go still come outside bring go. So I go dey here. Now me go still come share that story. And now it don't happen say this man get 7 wives because he get another one where I no even mention for the beginning. This one I keep am for the last. Una know Tracey boakye. It don't happen say this girl too. A baby mama for this same doctor. I bet waiting una dey see for this man. I bet me put this man picture. It be like say as I dey talk, these people know now why una no dey understand. See am. Waiting una dey find for this man. Omo pot belly, old age. Una just been at the money because I no go talk say love dey here. Waiting una dey find. I be waiting una see. My people, ask them wetin they see. Now, even get baby mama. Now she be the baby mama. And I hear say even this baby mama now, her father na spiritual man. Many things, just this matter na kasala. But make una no worry because anything will happen at the wait when that one give birth. Maybe now when she give birth, they go marry her maybe before she give birth. But my sister, make her give you advice. If this man no marry you now, where the thing never to the show. If you born, you see that baby mama. Now so he go leave you too, you go be baby mama too. And I saw some people go just the save una number, maybe mama too. Guess they suffer sha. Anyhow, my people, I go bring you the latest updates in case the marriage go take place, abi you no go take place. Who knows? But na me go tell una because I be what? Mama Aproko. I go leave una here. Don't forget to comment. I want to know everything una they think for this matter where I bring una. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen for One-on-One TV. And don't forget, subscribe if you have not. See ya later. You don't think we are here about this word Illuminati. I dey sure say even as I talk now, all of una, you don't ring the bell for una head because you don't think. And for una way they like me, we don't think una hear am. I don't bring another matter for una. You get one guy, Zimbabwe guy. Now the matter I bring today. His name na GMB. This guy rich. Anything where you want think about, think am cars, house, money. He get yakpa. Hey. And now you don't happen to say he joined Illuminati where he himself plan his own death. How possible? My people, now the same question when I bring for now. How possible? How person go just they plan in death? I know they judge person. I like people where they work hard for their money, but the one where they involve buying of casket, yes, in case you don't know, a week before this guy die, he go with his own self, with his money, buy casket, keep her for a room. What did that one mean? It means say he go soon die. Abi? Yes. And now what did this guy do? Where he go, keep the casket for house, he they get himself ready for the time where he go leave us. Now, I believe say, in family member, because according to the gist, he no marry, so he no get wife, he no get children, and now only in family he get. And now those ones who can't share, if you not see property, see cars, different shades, different colors, different shapes, everything. This man, nothing with this man no get. And all of una way no even know really much about Illuminati. Illuminati now way of life for some people, not before everybody. They serve devil, they worship Satan. So anything where they want, they will get them. But the only thing they say, you no feel live long. They go give you a certain period of time where you go live. They go tell you the time where you go die. So if you agree, they give you everything where you want. And to some people, it is very normal. And I know why. Because they go tell you, say, how long, after all, everybody go soon die. But the thing, I know say everybody go soon die, but why you supposed to take your own life? Now you give yourself life. Now so this guy just go and even the night before he died, they see him go club, they enjoy himself. All that one, goodbye, goodbye. They tell people, but people don't get the code. Don't go like that. And now he can't enter car with other people. See, he even fall. See, we're not supposed to fear people. I not talk say me una no like people who get money, but make una know where the money they come from. You understand? He carry other people along for the car. Where they speed. If you see the speed. That speed no be here. He can't do overspeed. Now so before you know it, so he crash. Now as I dey talk to now, this guy don't die. But the thing now where I no can understand, in uncle, see now when person die, you now go know who and who like you. In uncle can't the way the uncle they jubilate because of property. Say he want, he don't already choose car where he want. Imagine say your uncle na for village, you don't dey since. Imagine that kind of thing where they don't call you say, your nephew don't die, and you know say the guy get money. And you know say for some families, if the papa no dey, now the uncle go be head of the family. So I dey sure say for this man, see how he dey dance for him mind. He don't turn billionaire automatically, no stress, no sweat. I bet now this kind of blessing I dey find. Me, I don't want to take my hand, but me person just, you understand? See how the man they jubilate. I bet my people wait till I think. Because now, the matter be say they Illuminati. I know say some of them go tell me say, na lie, you know they Illuminati. I bet, no, I know just want to know what you they think just for your mind. Drop and there. Whether they Illuminati or he work hard for the, because that man wealth, no be for this place.